In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a Microsoft Word page in half in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a flyer, creating a newsletter, or just trying to make your document look more appealing, splitting your Word page into two can be incredibly useful. It's a simple process, but one that may not be entirely intuitive if you've never done it before. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open Microsoft Word. Begin by clicking on the Windows Start menu. You'll find this little gem tucked away in the lower left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Clicking here is your first step towards creating that perfectly split document. Once you've got the Start menu open, it's time to find Word. Simply type Word into the search bar. The search bar is your trusty steed in the vast kingdom of your computer's software and files. As you type, suggestions will start appearing, and the one we're after is Microsoft Word. When you see it pop up, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch Microsoft Word, getting us one step closer to our goal. Now, as Microsoft Word opens, you're greeted with the Word Home. This is like the front porch of Word, where you can select any recent document or start a brand new one. For today's task, feel free to open any document you want to work with. If this is just for practice, a new blank document will do just fine. With your document open in front of you, we'll start the actual process of splitting your page. Direct your attention to the top ribbon of Word. You're looking for the tab labelled Layout. Click on this. The Layout tab is where all the magic for page management happens, from margins to orientation, and, crucially for us, columns. In the Layout menu, you're going to find an option that says Columns, but instead of clicking on one of the predefined column options, look for a link or button that says More Columns. This is where Word hides the full power of custom column management. Click on More Columns to open up a new world of possibilities. Once you're in the More Columns menu, you're in the control room for how your page will look. Here's where you can select exactly how many columns you want on your page. Since we're looking to split our page in half, you'll select 2 columns. This will divide your Word document into 2 distinct sections side by side. After you've made your selection, simply click OK to apply your changes. And voila, you've done it. Your Microsoft Word page is now neatly divided into 2 columns, effectively splitting your page in half. This opens up a multitude of design options for you. You can create newsletters that feel more organized, flyers that catch the eye, or documents that simply break the mold of the usual single column layout. Before we wrap up, a quick tip for navigating your new layout. When you're typing in a 2-column layout and you reach the end of the first column, Word will automatically jump to the beginning of the next column. If you want to control where the text breaks, you can insert a column break by going to the Layout tab, clicking Breaks, and then selecting Column from the drop-down menu. This gives you full control over how your content is distributed across the page. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to split a Microsoft Word page in half, opening up a whole new range of formatting possibilities for your documents. Experiment with it, test out how it can work for your particular needs, and most importantly, have fun with your newfound Word formatting powers. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.